Baba vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber, so I'm at Handi KHURIS here in South Goa, Maina Curtorim, and 21st. Today is the feast day here. I'm live here. I asked the permission to come here to make this video live. Mr. Reginaldo Fernandez has given, the MLA has given me the permission here to do this video. So I'm live here now. It's not allowed to come inside to the cross here because of corona, and only the committee people has came here. So I'll try to show you guys. So guys, this is the one of the most miraculous cross in this area in South Goa. A lot of people come here. I have made many videos on this cross, so I'll hold this camera here for sometimes. If you can ask for some prayers if you like, guys. Okay guys. So that's the MLA of this area. So only the committee people is here from this. Okay guys, I will end this video from here. I hope everybody get answered his prayers. on this day on 22nd to on 20 August. So I'll end this video from here.